So today I'm going to be attempting another cloud pour recipe pour. So I was just practicing with cardboard and that was a complete disaster. And I tried to thin the paints out really good, and I don't know if it was because it was a cardboard and it just started bending, but it was a disaster. So I'm using the Amsterdam paints, and I will list those paints in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. Just pour that in the middle. Hopefully it's enough for me to tilt. If not, I have more. I didn't have any more little small canvases, so I just used one I already had painted on. It's much easier to control a canvas than a cardboard piece. Much easier. Okay. Gonna see if I have enough to put on these corners. Now I'm just using a mix that I had already made up. And that mixture had like some little uneven items. Like some of them weren't at the right measurements because I tried to make such a big batch. So I will have to make another batch. This is just for practice, so I'm not really worried about the sides or edges because this is just practice. Okay. I think I want my first color to be, it's like this purple color. It's like I think it's called a red purple with the Amsterdam. I'm just gonna trying to get all that paint. I don't know about these colors, you guys. That could be a part of my problem. Okay. I'm going to torch. See bubbles? Okay, and let's tilt. I see the colors sinking again. I think I chose the wrong colors. So I am getting some kind of reaction, everyone. I'm getting some kind of sales here. Okay. So that's the same reaction that I got off of the last pour that I did. I have to just, sorry, I have so much paint on my hands. The last time that I put so much paint on my, I'm just not going to tip that anymore. I'm going to take these gloves off. I had the paint coming through my apron onto my clothes. So let's take these off. And then I'll try to torch a little bit more. Okay, so it is getting sales. It's just not getting as much sales as I want it to get. Hey, but some more sales are popping up. So maybe they'll change it a couple of minutes. So yeah, it looks like more sales are popping up actually. I have a few. So I will come back to you in a moment and let you see what reaction it turns into, because it may be even more sales. And I'll bring you down so that you can see. Yeah, looks like that is really working. So I am making progress, you guys. I'm making progress. Yay! Look at that. It's popping up more sales, you guys. They're coming. I am so happy. I'm so happy. My last one didn't have as many sales as this one, so I am so excited. And I will bring you guys down to see. I'm going to let it do its little business and see if it'll pop up any more sales. But I definitely have way more sales than I had the last time. So I'm excited. Yes. I'll bring you back in just a moment. Okay, you guys, it's about 15 minutes later or so. And as you can see, some more sales have popped up, you know, since the first time that the pour was done. And I'm just so excited because I've been trying to get these sales and I was practicing. And so I've finally gotten these sales. I personally like a lot of color on my canvas, but I think this is so unique and beautiful. And so many artists know how to do it so well, like the white pours. And I believe it's Tara Artistry. They're so great with it, and many other people, just like Tammy Anderson, and just so many others that do a great job with it. But I'm just so excited that I was finally able to get those sales, and I will continue to practice on it. And I just love it. It's so pretty. And so you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will list the colors down in my description below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And till the next time, you guys.